8 alarming signs you're not getting enough potassium. Did you know that something as simple as a mineral imbalance could be affecting your energy, your heart, and even your mood? You've probably heard about potassium in the context of bananas, but let's face it, potassium's role in our body goes way beyond this fun yellow fruit. It's one of the most crucial minerals we need, working as a silent powerhouse behind everything from heartbeat to muscle contractions to how your brain fires up. What if I told you that not getting enough potassium could lead to symptoms as serious as muscle cramps, dizziness, and even heart arrhythmias? Sounds alarming, right? In today's video, we'll dive into 8 alarming signs that could mean you're not getting enough potassium and what you can do to restore this vital mineral. Stick around. You might discover something that could seriously improve your health. 1. Constant fatigue and low energy. Let's start with one that often flies under the radar: constant fatigue. Sure, everyone feels tired from time to time, but if you're consistently running on empty, even after a full night's sleep, potassium might be the missing link. Potassium plays a key role in how our cells generate and use energy because it conducts electricity within cells, helping to convert food into the fuel your body needs. Without enough potassium, your cells struggle to communicate and interact as they should, leaving you feeling drained and sluggish. Tip: if this sounds familiar, try adding more potassium-rich foods to your meals, such as spinach, sweet potatoes, bananas, and oranges. Just a few dietary tweaks can give you the energy boost your body is craving. 2. High blood pressure. You might know that sodium and potassium work hand in hand to balance your blood pressure, but here's why this relationship is so critical. Sodium promotes fluid retention by holding onto water in your body, while potassium helps relax and widen blood vessels to keep circulation smooth and steady. When your potassium levels drop, sodium can easily build up unchecked, leading to increased blood volume and higher blood pressure, a setup for more serious issues like heart disease and stroke. Fact: studies consistently show that increasing potassium intake can be a powerful way to support healthy blood pressure, often lowering it naturally and reducing the risk of cardiovascular issues. It's no exaggeration to say that potassium truly acts as your blood pressure's best friend, counterbalancing sodium and keeping your heart and vessels in check. 3. Muscle cramps, spasms, or weakness. Have you ever been jolted awake by a painful leg cramp that feels impossible to ignore? Low potassium levels might be to blame. Potassium plays an essential role in muscle function, helping to manage the contraction and relaxation cycles. Without enough potassium, your muscles can misfire or go into spasms, leading to sudden, intense cramps or an ongoing feeling of weakness. This is particularly true for athletes and active individuals, as sweating during exercise causes potassium loss. Pro tip: staying well hydrated and reaching for a potassium-rich snack, like a banana, avocado, or some orange slices, before or after a workout, can help keep these cramps in check. Adding a bit of salt to rehydrate can also ensure a balanced mineral intake, giving your muscles what they need to stay strong. 4. Irregular heartbeat, heart arrhythmia. Did you know your heart is a muscle too? And it needs potassium as much as any other muscle in your body. Without enough potassium, your heart's electrical rhythm can get thrown off, leading to arrhythmias or irregular heartbeats. These can range from feeling like a skipped beat to a more intense, fluttering sensation in your chest. In severe cases, an arrhythmia can increase the risk of serious heart complications. Fun fact: increasing potassium intake can help stabilize your heartbeat. Think of potassium as a fine-tuning mineral for your heart. 5. Dizziness and lightheadedness. Ever felt a sudden wave of dizziness or that unsettling sensation of being lightheaded? Low potassium levels could be the reason. Potassium plays a critical role in regulating your heartbeat and ensuring your blood vessels function smoothly. When potassium is low, your body's ability to maintain proper blood flow to the brain can suffer, leading to dizzy spells or even brief feelings of disorientation. These symptoms can appear especially if you've been standing or moving suddenly after sitting for a while. If you're frequently feeling dizzy, it might be time to focus on foods high in potassium, like oranges, potatoes, or leafy greens. Staying well hydrated is also key, as potassium and water work in harmony to help stabilize blood pressure and promote healthy blood circulation throughout your body. 6. Constipation and digestive issues. You might not think that potassium and digestion are connected, but they absolutely are. Potassium is crucial for smooth muscle function in the digestive system. If you're low on potassium, your intestines may struggle to contract as they should, leading to constipation or even bloating. Quick fix. Bananas, avocados, and oranges are great for both potassium and fiber, two nutrients that promote digestive health. Regularly adding these foods to your diet could relieve sluggish digestion. 7. Numbness or tingling sensations. Here's another surprising symptom: numbness or tingling, especially in the hands, feet, or face. Potassium is key to nerve health and communication. Without it, the electrical impulses that nerves use to communicate slow down, leading to a sensation of numbness, tingling, or that pins and needles feeling. Did you know? Potassium helps maintain the sodium-potassium pump, which creates a tiny electrical charge on the outside of your cells. This is what lets your nerves fire off signals to the brain quickly and accurately. 8. Increased salt cravings. One of the more surprising signs of low potassium levels is a strong craving for salty foods. When potassium is low, your body often seeks sodium to help balance fluid levels and maintain cellular function. But while reaching for salty snacks might feel satisfying in the moment, too much sodium without enough potassium can backfire, leading to fluid retention, higher blood pressure, and additional strain on your heart and kidneys. This imbalance can even worsen the potassium deficiency, creating a cycle that's hard to break. Healthy habit. Instead of processed, salty snacks, try satisfying these cravings with nutrient-dense, potassium-rich options. Swap chips or pretzels for a handful of potassium-packed nuts, seeds, or even dried fruits like apricots. These snacks will help you achieve that savory fix while restoring your body's essential mineral balance. What causes potassium deficiency? So, what causes potassium levels to drop in the first place? There are several common culprits. Poor diet. Simply not eating enough potassium-rich foods, especially if your diet is high in processed foods that are loaded with sodium. Dehydration. Excessive sweating, diarrhea, or vomiting can lead to rapid potassium loss. Kidney disease. This affects your body's ability to regulate potassium effectively. Medications, diuretics, and some antibiotics can interfere with potassium absorption. Recognizing these causes can help you make proactive changes to maintain a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle. How to boost your potassium levels. If these symptoms sound familiar, you might be wondering how to boost your potassium levels effectively. Thankfully, it's easier than you might think. Here are some of the top foods to incorporate into your diet. Bananas, the classic potassium source. Sweet potatoes, a great choice for potassium and fiber. Spinach and other leafy greens. These are packed with various vitamins and minerals, including potassium. Tomatoes and tomato juice, a potassium-rich staple that's easy to add to any meal. Beans and lentils, affordable, versatile, and loaded with potassium. Remember, it's best to get potassium from food rather than supplements, unless recommended by a healthcare provider, as too much potassium from supplements can be harmful. Conclusion. Potassium is one of those underrated nutrients that can make a world of difference in how we feel daily. The body needs it to maintain energy, keep muscles strong, stabilize our heart, and even support our mood. If you've been experiencing any of these symptoms, like fatigue, muscle cramps, or even a craving for salty foods, it might be your body's way of asking for a potassium boost. So, next time you're grocery shopping, Remember that a few simple swaps in your diet can keep your potassium levels in check and have you feeling your best. And, as always, consult with a healthcare provider before making major changes, especially if you suspect a deficiency. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more health insights. Share your thoughts in the comments if you've ever experienced any of these signs. Until next time, stay healthy and stay informed.